that black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie. If y'all new here, go ahead and subscribe. If y'all returning, what's good, what's popping. So clearly, let's go ahead and jump into this video, y'all. I thought that black and rose fabric was super cute. But y'all at the fabric store with me. I am looking for some fabric for my client for this dress that we came up with. Super cute, y'all. She told me an inspiration look and I did exactly that. Definitely understood the assignment. So yeah, we found our fabric and we got our zipper. So this is what you'll be needing for this, and also a pattern piece. Y'all, I need to go ahead and update my pattern piece or whatever. But y'all, I really outdid myself with this one, and this is me stepping outside of my comfort zone, trying new things and believing in myself. So right here we going ahead and cut, literally folded down the middle. I'm using these for my weights. I still haven't bought me any yet, but just cut it down the middle. And then y'all, for this part right here, I am just cutting off the excess fabric that I don't need, and I did measure this up to my client. So if you're doing this for yourself, you're going to measure it up on you so you can know where to place it and how much that you will need for that area. So I did that off cam. So yeah, we just shaping it up to the silhouette of the back of the dress pattern. And as y'all can see, I got the little pins right there because that's where her breast part was. So I wanted to make sure I lined the other breast part up or whatever. So y'all, this video is moving a little fast, so if y'all need to pause it, go ahead and do so. And this is my first time, like I said, stepping out my comfort zone, and we're just going ahead and cutting out the second mesh piece for the other side of the dress. And y'all, I could have done this a different way, but this way worked out for me. If y'all know different ways, comment down below and let me know. I am self-taught and I am learning as I am going. So this is me basically pinning it down, and then we're going to go ahead and sew those areas. Y'all, a lot of times when I be making stuff for the first time, I make it hard on myself because I definitely made this part hard. I overthought it and it was just too much. Stressed me out just a little bit. But my bestie was here and she was like, girl, you got it. It looks perfect. It looked fine to me, you know. But anyways, it's just, I don't know, I can't really explain it, but I feel like we all go through it. So this is what it's looking like, nice and clean finish, and you could cut off any excess if you need to clean it up a little more. So now with the back of the dress, you want to go ahead and double fold and sew across so we can hem it up and give it that nice clean finish. And we also going to do the same thing around like the back collar part, neck area of the right here, like so. Pin it and sew. Okay, so now that that's all done, right here, as you can see, I was trying to record it, but it wasn't showing. So I marked chalk on both ends of the zipper 2 inches from the bottom of the zipper, and you'll see why I did that later in the video. But right here, as you can see, I am pinning the right sides together of the zipper all the way down into the area of that chalk pin that we wrote earlier. And then you want to unzip it and go ahead and change to the zipper foot and sew all the way down to the chalk. And y'all, this is what it should look like. And now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And now you want to take where you draw the chalk and sew right across, and you want to make sure this is even. And when you're sewing down on each side of the zip, you want to make sure you even that as well. And now I am just folding the fabric into place, and we're just going to sew the remaining of the bottom of the skirt all the way down like so. Okay, so now the back panel is finished. This is what it should look like, nice and clean. So now you want to attach the front panel and the back panel together at the shoulder part, and we're just going to go ahead and sew across like so. And you want to do the same thing that you do to one side to the other side, of course. On this part here, I am just showing you that I went ahead and pinned the sides of the dress together on both sides, and then we're just going to go ahead and sew down on each part of the dress. Okay, so now to the fun part. No, but y'all, I used to did not like doing this, but I'm fine with it now. So you're gonna need something heat resistant under here when you're using a hot knife, and this is also listed in my Amazon storefront if y'all are interested or y'all need one. And also the cutting board is listed in there as well. So y'all, I use that piece when I'm cutting out. I had cut out like a little rose part so we can use it for the coverage of the boob part right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and pin it in place, and I got a lot of access, a lot of extras, because I wanted to try it, let my client try it on before I cut any of it off. So I did that, and now I am just sewing everything down into place. And y'all, I really enjoy making this look. I really hope this video helped you guys out in any type of way. I hope that if you got any questions, you comment down below and I can answer them for you. But I love you guys so much, and I thank y'all so much for all the support. But yes, y'all, this is the final and finishing. I hope you guys like it. My client was beautiful. Like and follow for more. Love you guys. Bye.